Hello my wonderful students, and welcome to this lecture on the MV command. This will be the second of two lectures on this command, and in this lecture we will focus on how to move directories and files throughout the Unix file system. So that being said, let's go ahead and get started. If you have not done so already, please go ahead and open up your terminal and get into your desktop directory. And once here, let's come over to the left-hand side of my page and talk about this rendering. If you have already watched my lecture on the Unix file system structure, then this rendering will be very familiar. The purpose of reviewing this rendering is to help make the information that we are about to go over more digestible. So let's go ahead and talk about the rendering, and then we will use our mv command to move directories and files around. So initially, when you open up your terminal, you'll be here at your home directory. And from this point, you can move into a number of subdirectories. In our case, we moved into our desktop directory. Within our desktop directory, we have two subdirectories and a file. And in this case, I have actually created two directories and a file, and I will want us to move our test.py file into our directory 2, just like we have listed out in our diagram. Now, the major takeaway here is that you can move your directories and files within your current working directory, both up a directory and anywhere within the directory. As an example, I could move this test.py file into my home directory, or this folder into my home directory, or this file into my folder. But I could not move this file into my directory 3, and that is because of the Unix structure. If I wanted to move this file into this directory, I would need to move this file to my home directory first and then into directory 3. So that being said, let's go ahead and move over to our terminal and first move a file into a directory. So in this case, we are going to move our test.py file into our directory 2. So we will use the mv command in order to do this. So go ahead and type in mv test.py directory _2 and go ahead and hit enter. And now that you can see, our test.py file is now inside of our directory 2. Now, what if we wanted to move our directory 2 into our first directory, directory 1? Well, we could type in mv directory 2 directory 1 and go ahead and hit enter. And now you can see our directory 2 is inside our directory 1. As a final example, if we wanted to move our directory _1 into our home directory, i.e. moving a subdirectory of our desktop directory into the home directory, we would use mv directory _1 space tilde, as the tilde sign represents the home directory, and go ahead and hit enter. And there we go. Our directory _1 is now in our home directory. So that's all I have for this lecture. Thank you all so much for listening, and I will see you at the next lecture. Until then, happy learning.